1994 SC400 Lexus. Still got the stock converters there and there. And then we true dualed it with an X pipe all the way back 2 1/4 into 3-inch tips. Right there and right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, right there. Hope you guys like the sound. We'll let you hear in a second. Smells really good though. We gotta do that to your truck.
Huh?
We gotta do that to your truck.
Already did.
Actually, it should get louder, yours. Yours should have got a little bit louder too. Good sound, man. I like it. Those V8s never disappoint. I think so.
Is that rear wheel drive?
Yeah.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face.